In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your job preferences on LinkedIn. Whether you're in the market for a new job or simply looking to refine your job search criteria, updating your preferences ensures you're getting the most relevant job opportunities. Let's dive in. First, you want to access your job preferences. Start by navigating to the LinkedIn homepage. At the top of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Jobs. This will take you to the dedicated Jobs section of LinkedIn. Once there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and you'll find a menu. Click on Preferences to begin updating your job settings. There's also another route you can take to get there. Head over to your LinkedIn profile and find the Open to Work section. If you click on Edit here and then select Show Details, you'll be able to access the same job preferences page. Once you've reached your job preferences, it's time to update the settings according to your current job search criteria. Start by specifying the job titles you are interested in. This step is crucial because it helps LinkedIn tailor the suggestions they show you based on the type of positions you want to pursue. Be as specific as you can with job titles to ensure you're pointed toward opportunities that truly match your career goals. The next aspect to consider is the type of work environment you're looking for. LinkedIn allows you to choose among on-site, hybrid, or remote working arrangements. Consider which option best aligns with your lifestyle preferences or commitments, and select accordingly. This choice can significantly impact the kinds of jobs that appear in your recommendations. Following that, you'll want to select your preferred work locations. Whether you're targeting jobs within your current city or open to relocating elsewhere, detailing these locations helps refine LinkedIn's job recommendations. Remember, the more specific you are, the better LinkedIn can assist you in finding exactly what you're looking for. Next, it's important to update your start date. Indicate when you're available to start working. This might be immediately or a few months down the line if you're planning ahead. Setting a start date ensures you're matched with jobs that align with your availability. Finally, specify your preferred employment type. Whether you're interested in full-time positions, part-time roles, or contract work, setting this option will help narrow down the job listings to your preferred employment style. In addition to updating these preferences, you have the option to manage your Open to Work visibility. This controls who can see that you're open to new job opportunities. And don't forget about setting up job alerts. This handy feature will notify you of tailored job recommendations in your specified fields, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to apply for the perfect role. With those steps completed, you're now all set to receive the most relevant job recommendations that match your career aspirations. Make sure to revisit this section periodically and update it as your career goals evolve.